All right, sports fans, history buffs, and everyone repping Jamaica. Let's rewind the clock to this day, June 1st, 2008. We're talking about a moment when Asafa Powell, the sub-10 king, reminded the entire world just how fast he truly was. At the Fanny Blankers-Koen Games over in the Netherlands, Asafa stepped onto the track for the 100 meters. The gun went off, and boom, he absolutely flew down the straightaway. He crossed the line in an astonishing 9.72 seconds. Now, the wind gauge showed a little help that day, making it a wind-aided time. But let's be clear, 9.72 seconds was, at that point, one of the fastest times ever recorded by any human being. Even without the official record stamp, that performance sent a massive message. Just months before the Beijing Olympics, Asafa was in phenomenal, world-beating shape. He was ready to challenge anyone, anywhere. Known for that signature smooth stride and explosive power out of the blocks, Asafa Powell was a crucial force. His performances helped build the incredible momentum that led to Jamaica's historic sprint dominance later that summer in Beijing. What a time to be a Jamaican track fan! This has been This Day in Jamaican Sports History, powered by All Sports Jamaica. Tap in every single day for the culture, for the history, and for the undeniable greatness of Jamaican athletes. Like up the video, share it wide, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment telling us your favorite Asafa moment, and definitely hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single day of history. Walk good.